Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So today in this video, I'm discussing about the inventory management system that has been created in Excel. So here in this Excel file, we have a form which collects the data and it is an automated system where it tracks the transactions and it it provides us the details of the purchases, sales, profit, inventory quantity, and inventory amount. And we have a tracker system as well, so we can just search by date by entering here. So this section is providing us the dates. So once I click on this one, you can choose the calendar and the year from this drop down and select the month. Now this is the date from 2018 of Jan and till today. I'm just refreshing it. Then all of our data and these cards are automatically gets displayed. And then if we want to search anything in this stock, we can just search it just like I want to search spring, just type spring here and click on refresh. Then all of the strings which are having the spring keyword, it will be displayed over here. And of course, it's like we want to sale and add purchase transactions. So if we want to add or update, we can just select from these drop downs exactly from here and then click on add and update. So this is an automated inventory system. So all the inventories is directly inserted in the spreadsheet and we can play around it and you can use it for any type of management system, just like maybe sales system or any type of um, business you are doing. So that's all there in this video. I hope you like this video. And moreover, we have these buttons as well. So it's a save button, it's a product master button. So when I click on product master, all of the products will be displayed here in this one. And if we want to add something, we can just click on add button, update and delete as well. And if we want to see the product worksheet, here is the product worksheet. Now again, I'm clicking on this form. It 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 provides me this kind of interface. Now, if I want to take out the printout, I click on print, and then the whole inventory report will get printed. You can just print on the printer or take out the PDF. Right now, I'm closing this print preview. So this is an automated software which has been created in Excel, and it takes everything for your inventory, including of transactions management and adding of your inventory, updating inventory, and taking the updated printout of your inventory. So I hope you like this video. In any customizations or any requirements you have, you can just directly reach me out for this inventory system. And I will be sharing my WhatsApp number and my email address over the description part of this video. So happy to help you and have a great day ahead. And thanks for watching this video and have a great day. I will talk soon. I'm waiting for your call. So thank you and have a great day. Bye.